Need to extract audio from a QuickTime MOV? This workflow is useful when a phone or camera video contains audio you need separately. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open MOV to MP3 Converter on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a MOV. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Choose the MP3 bitrate, then process the first audio track. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a separate MP3 without the video stream. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Support depends on the codecs inside the MOV container. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.